Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub project from start to finish in 2025. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about managing your code, this guide will make the process super simple. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your projects efficiently on GitHub. Accessing GitHub. First things first, head over to github.com. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up, but if you do, just click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter your registered username or email and your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so type carefully. If you forgot it, just use the password reset option to get back in. Navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Think of this as your project control center. It's where you can see your repositories, notifications, and most importantly for today, your projects. Finding the Projects tab now, look for the Projects tab. Depending on your layout, it might be at the top of the page or in the left sidebar. This tab is where you'll manage your workflows, tasks, and overall project structure. Creating a new project. To start a new project, click the big New Project button. GitHub will offer you different templates tailored to your needs. For example, you might choose team planning if you're collaborating, documentation for writing guides, or automated workflows to integrate with GitHub Actions. Pick the template that aligns with your project's goals. Once you've chosen, hit Create Project, and just like that, your GitHub project is ready to go. From here, you can add tasks, organize cards, and track progress with ease. And there you have it. Creating a GitHub project is that simple. By using the right templates and organizing your work efficiently, you'll make collaboration and project management a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.